Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to report fraud or identity theft in Wells Fargo Online Banking. So assuming this happened to you, I understand it's super frustrating. What you're going to want to do is sign in with your username and password and then hit sign on. If you are unable to actually access your account because someone infiltrated your account and they changed your stuff, I highly recommend going out and contacting them, okay? Their hotlines, some of them are 24/7. Just go ahead and give them a call and they'll get you sorted. But let's say you still have access and you're seeing a few red flags or maybe some emails saying someone accessed your account, or even you got your physical card stolen. After signing in, it's going to lead you to your actual account page. As you can see, this is my Wells Fargo account, and I actually do use this on a day-to-day basis. And so what you want to do here is go up to the place where it says security and support. Then where it says report fraud and file claims, go ahead and click the one that basically applies to you. I usually recommend the top one as it just gives you multiple options. So as you can see, this is how you would basically report it. There's different sections within Wells Fargo. So depending on what it is, go ahead and give them a call. But even if you're unsure, go ahead and give this one a call. This is very general. And if they figure out what your issue is, they can then lead you to someone that is specialized in what you're going through. So for example, if it's a credit card fraud, you can still call these guys. These guys are going to tell you, oh, we're going to send you to the credit card department, and boom, they're going to get you sorted just like that. Another thing that I highly suggest doing if this thing did happen to you, I'm going to show you really quick, is you can freeze your account through online banking. That part's super simple. So the way to do that is you're going to go up to security and support. Then as you can see here, turn card on or off, click that and then turn your card off as soon as possible. That way, they can't actually use the physical card. So that's specific to people that got their card robbed. If this helped you, consider subscribing.